Want to create website for your project for free? Let's create one in a minute using GitHub Pages. Go to your project on GitHub, click on Settings and head to Pages. Here, select the branch where you want to save your source files. Then choose the location. I want to store it in the Docs folder and click Save. With this, you will have the link to your website. Next, we will choose the theme. You have ton of options to choose from, or you can have your own theme as well. For now, I will choose this. Now if you head to the website, you will see all the default text which you can edit on GitHub. Remember, it can take some time for your website to be live. To know how I got custom domain, subscribe to my channel and learn more about it. Thanks for watching.